all of you love the build large language models from scratch playlist which we have on YouTube. Those were autoregressive models which predict one token at a time. Now, I am coming up with a new series of lectures in which I am going to teach you how to build a diffusion language model entirely from scratch. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Raj Dandekar, one of the three co-founders of Visuara AI Labs. Today, I am very excited to announce the launch of our new workshop, Build a Diffusion Language Model from Scratch. I have been working on this for the past 5 to 6 months and I am finally ready with this series of lectures. So in 2025, the state of the art for language models was autoregressive language models, which predicted one new token at a time. Then there was a flurry of diffusion based models which were released. Essentially, think of diffusion as instead of one token at a time, it predicts all the text at once, like in the video which you see here. So when I saw this video or when I saw this GIF, it looked amazing to me. Yeah, why should text be produced one token at a time? Why cannot it just appear to me like diffusion based models for images? That leads to much faster inference times, right? And then I went on a journey to learn how to build this diffusion language model fully from scratch. How can I understand the nuts and bolts of how the entire architecture of the diffusion language model was assembled? There was very little information online. It was very difficult to find GitHub repositories or online videos which teach me everything I want to know. I did not want a 5-minute tutorial or a 10-minute tutorial. As I went through this journey, now I'm ready with the whole pipeline which I've built and I'm ready to teach it all to you. Initially, this workshop was planned as intensive bootcamp for industry professionals, but now we are opening it up for everyone. Here is the content which we will cover through this bootcamp or through this workshop. On each day, we will cover something different. On day 1, we will understand the introduction to diffusion models and looking at generative AI through a probabilistic lens. On day 2, we'll understand autoregressive models, their limitations. On day 3, we'll build the diffusion language model pipeline, the training pipeline and the inference pipeline. And on day 4, we'll code the full diffusion model from scratch. I'll even give you research projects at the end of this workshop, which you can do on your own and you can then convert it into a publication. I think this is the first workshop in the world which teaches you how to build a diffusion language model fully from scratch. The workshop starts from the 2nd of February and it will finish on the 6th of February. I'm really looking forward to seeing you all there. So thank you for watching and I hope you find the workshop very valuable.